Parts of router. It is important to know about these components so that you can make sure it's working properly. This is especially interesting information when you are thinking about building your own router. The most important parts and components of a small CNC router are as follows. Number 1, work table. This is where you will fit the material so that you can be cut. You will use a clamp to hold the material down. Number 2, router. The router is part of the machine that uses a high speed to turn the cutting tools. Number 3, cutting tools. This is the tools that cuts the material that you lay on the table. Number 4, collect. This is the part that holds the cutting tools onto the router. Number 5, dust extraction outlet. This is where you take the dust after it has accumulated in the machine. Number 6, guard. This protects the individual who is operating the CNC router. It is important to keep this down when machine is in operation. Number 7, control panel. You can use the controls to use the router either manually or automatically. Number 8, stop button. This is the button that will stop the machine in an emergency. Number 9, doors handle. This holds the guard into place and will not allow the router to move unless the guard is down.